I already have niches and I'm happy with the output it generates, but its long form editor, it is restricted by the OpenAI limitations, and that's the reason I came across LongShot. Now LongShot not only helps you research, it helps you generate headlines, it helps you create content brief, and then you can optimize the content based on the SEO recommendation that it provides. As of today, July 2021, the output generated by LongShot is not great, but I believe it is going to improve. Features like fact checks, tones, team selection, and AI generated images are very tempting. So this is my personal review. I have been using it for a couple of weeks, and this is what you will get. These are the roadmaps, what they are releasing, what they are in thought, what are in line. So if you see the pricing right now, you can use the starter to try and check whether it is good for you or not. At a time, they will provide you the 100 credits for 3 days, and after that you will get 10 free credits every day. It has pro plan and enterprise plan. In the pro plan you get 1000 credits per month, and enterprise is unlimited. As you can see in the starter free plan, the research, it is unlimited. You can do it even after you finish with your credit. The best thing I like about them right now is their research portion. Right now they also have a lifetime deal going on in Dealify, so you can check it. They have said that it is going to last for 1 month. After that they might release it on AppSumo also, but you please go through the deal if you are interested. They have 3 plans. They have the pro plan, which is 1000 credit. They have the pro plus plan, which is your 2000 credit. So this pro plan, which is present in their own website, this is same to that, but in the pro plus you are getting 200 copy generations, and in the enterprise edition where you have the unlimited, it is equivalent to their pro future. So they have 3. In the pro future you will also have the AI generated included, but in the rest too, it will be as an add-on most probably. You can sign up using your email ID or through Facebook or by using any of the Gmail account. So Facebook, Gmail account, or provide them with any email ID. I generally prefer Gmail. It's easier, convenient, and that's the reason I'm using that. So all you have to click and then you can log in. As you can see, I have already used it, this, and 34 amount of credit has been used from my trial 100. It will clearly show you when your subscription is going to end and how much credit is left, and also they have the referral code. By using that you can get free credits. So this is the basic. And you can also increase your free credit by following these steps. So if you post on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter, they are going to provide you with free credits. So let's start and make one blog article. So click on create. Now you have to give an idea, any topic. Let me write blogging tips, and let's see what the research shows. Once you click search, it is going to show you the top keywords which are available. These are the top keywords. You can also see the similar keywords. Sometimes more or less I do not find any similar keywords. I don't know the reason why. If you click on the top keywords, those will come on the right hand side. You can also manually type it. You can select the keywords, and based on what your selection, they are going to generate the headlines. So depending upon what topics you are seeing over here, you can just click it and it will get added to the selected keywords. If you click load more, as you can see, it is going to load more of them. So all you have to do is click load more. They also have top questions which is readily available from Quora, from Google and from Reddit. So you can check them. If you are happy with any of them, just click it. It will also get added to the selected keywords. So just click it and it will get added. This is a very nice feature. I am happy with it. As I've already told you, the research portion is something which I am very excited about. Your research there does not take your credit, so this is a good thing. Now after you have selected the keywords, you can select how you want the headlines to be. There are 3 types of headlines, as I have already shown you. It can be how to, descriptive or listicles. So this topic is a tip, so I prefer listicles, so I'm going to select listicles. You can either skip it if you do not want the headline to be generated, or you can create a headline and you will find it. The only issue I'm finding over here is that I'm using a 14-inch laptop, and over here this interface is stopping me from clicking it properly. Anyhow, if you click the headline generation, it is going to show you how much credit is going to take, and based on whatever the selected keywords you have mentioned over here, it is going to generate some headlines. It is going to take some time. In the meantime, let me also open certain plagiarism checker. All the plagiarism checker I know of and I generally use, let me open them, and whatever content it is going to generate, I will be putting it over there and I'm going to see. As you can see, it is a new AI tool. It takes some time to generate, so just wait on. Another issue with this is that I cannot right click another tool and I cannot open it in another browser. So at one period of time you can only do one thing. Right now I'm doing blog, so if I want to rephrase, I cannot do it. Okay, this is an issue because it seems that their servers are being used too much, because it's many people are trying. Let me start the process again. So let me just select, since I've selected too many keywords, maybe that's the reason it is having an issue. Let me select one or two. Okay, this question, okay, 2 is okay. I have selected listicles and let me generate it. Since it has to go through your recommendation and it has to find a unique one, it might wait. So I just waited for 10 to 15 seconds and I got these results. Now these are more or less good headlines. You can also customize your own headline if you want to, as I have shown over here, or you can just click one of them and it is going to get selected. Now let me check whether this particular headline is already available or not. No, exact headline is not available. Let me double quote and let me see whether it is available in any title. No, this exact headline is not available. So it is a unique title, it's a unique headline, and I am happy with this. But this is a blogging tip, so 5 helpful tips is okay. Now the issue which I was speaking about, see over here I cannot click to generate the outline. I face this issue I believe other users have also faced this issue. If you are using a 14-inch laptop, in that case their UX, I cannot find that generate the outline. I have to move my panel on the left, and if I do so, in that case, see, the outline is shown. I don't know why I'm facing this issue. I believe the developer will look into this matter and find a solution for this, because as I'm showing you, if I move my panel below, then I do not find that outline. So I have to move it over here. Whether I am facing this issue and someone else is also facing this issue, the developer has to look into this matter. Now if I am not happy with the headline generated, I can always regenerate it. It's going to regenerate me a headline again. You do not have to select the exact headline. If you want, you can manually customize it headline, or you can directly click it and then you can generate the outline. Right now I have already completed the research and the headline portion. Research, it did not take credit. Headline, it took a credit, and now outline is also going to get credit. You can select at max 7 outline, auto generated outline. You can manually also click the outline, and it depends upon you, or you can just click the generate outline for a maximum of 7 outlines. It is also going to show you how much credit is going to take. It is going to generate the outline based on whatever keywords you have selected. So these are the headlines it has generated. So if you are not happy, you can again generate. If you want to change, you can change it. If you want to manually change any headline, so you can easily change that headline. This is a demo video, and that's the reason I am not going to change much. I'm just going to generate and improve the blog. So it is going to take some credit, and now it is going to take each of these 7 headlines, sub-headlines, and write an introduction. So as you can see, for each of the subheadings, it has written some intro, but the intro is very less. So this is something which I'm pretty sure the developer can improve and will improve. If I directly take it and paste it in Grammarly plagiarism and check it. Let me paste it in all the free ones. If you just type free plagiarism, these are the top searches results. So they might not be accurate. At least Grammarly is more or less accurate. The rest I am pretty sure they are not 100% accurate, but since I do not have any paid plagiarism checker to verify, I'm using them. So let's see what the result comes. If you want, you can skip for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, Grammarly has found some plagiarism, but the problem is that since I'm using the free version, I cannot detect exactly which portion it is detecting. Okay, choose a topic you are interested in. So I don't think this is a issue. This is just a line. So this one has told me the source. The rest I have waiting. Anyhow, I'm never going to post it as it is, obviously. Now it does have a unique element called Unstuck Me. Over here, all you have to do is that you have to give a keyword and then you have to generate. What it will do is that it will write some content based upon whatever keyword you have mentioned. So if I write blogging tips and I generate, it is going to generate something for me. Okay, I don't know why it did not generate. Click on editor and try again. Okay, I did click on the editor and I have asked it to generate. Okay, now it is generating. So blogging is a serious business, as with many other businesses you will find one. So here are you can also expand, select a particular text and expand. 9 blogging tips. Oops, no text generated. As I've told you, these are all auto generated. It will depend upon whatever content you are providing to the AI, and based upon that it is going to generate. Write more is a function clicking which it is going to generate. Because of the OpenAI limitations, you have to write or delete or do something with the text before it can generate. It has such kind of limitations also. You can either read it here or click. Okay, it has nothing to do with what I asked it to do. Right, let me write more and see. The more you post, the more people. Okay, this is something relevant. These are relevant. Read others' blogs to get an idea. Let me see if I click write more what it generates. Is there a specific topic you are struggling with? Okay, I am not sure. Maybe the way I'm doing it is not correct, but I don't think there is any other way of doing it. Synopsis is what it does is that it is going to read everything you've written above that particular portion, and it is going to generate a synopsis, a short summary of the entire context. There are many blogs out there. How do you want to choose one for? Okay, maybe the amount of content which is present above it is not sufficient enough for it to do. Now, if you select a particular text, you have the option to expand, to add more outlines, to rephrase. If I click outline, so it is going to take this context and it is going to then create a headline. But over here I can see that these are basically statements. In order to get most out of it, should include link to be found. Okay, I can select them and I can generate intro also, as you can see. So I can generate intro. Let's see, generate keywords and topic. And are you looking for a blogging tips consultant, blogging expert for okay, this is not what I was looking for. These things are very matured in Writer. So if you use Writer over there, even in the free version, I believe it generates around 5,000 characters, and if you do certain things, it can increase up to 10,000 characters. Now over there, the output which you will get is far better than what I am getting in LongShot right now, but I am confident that the makers of LongShot are going to improve this. Anyhow, these tools are never meant to be blindly used. Whatever content you are getting, whatever idea you are getting, you need to take them as an inspiration and then write your own article. So you can also rephrase it, as I have shown you. This is a good feature. Now the thing is that maybe the topic which I've selected, the blogging tips, this is not working out with this particular tool. It depends upon what niche you are using. As you can see over there, the keyword which they are suggesting, if I incorporate them in the text editor, it is going to show as green, and it will tell you that this words has been used. It is equivalent to what you get in phrase. You can save the particular block, you can export it, it will get exported as doc format, which is also good. So more or less this is their blog edition. You can comment below and tell me your experience. For this particular example, I did not get satisfactory result, but I have used this before and over there I got good results. So it depends upon what topic you are selecting maybe. Anyhow, the second tool it has is that headline generator, as you have already shown you while making the blog. If you give a topic name and give him some keywords or description and then click generate, it is going to generate headlines for you. You get this feature already when you do the research. After that you have that option. So it is a separate tool also available over here. You can generate headlines, as you can see. If you're only interested in generating the headlines, you can use it. You can select how to listicles, description, depending upon your choice. Depending on what you are selecting, it is going to generate differently. In the listicles, it is going to show you some numbers. You can save your results. You can click it over here and you can later on see the saved results. You can copy them to your clipboard and then use it otherwise. So it is clearly going to show you how much credit it is going to use. This is something which I like. Whether I want to use the tool or not, I will have an idea. Next is the Rephraser, as I have already shown you while doing the content. If you put a text over here and then click rephrase, it is going to take that content and is going to rephrase that content. Try to make it something unique. It may work. Right now, are you struggling to come up with a blog? Do you struggle to come up with a blog? So more or less the idea is same. Perhaps you're searching for inspiration to write a blog, to get idea, be curious. So more or less it has rephrased it clearly. As you can see, if you're not happy, you can just click generate and it is going to generate once more. Okay, this has nothing to do with what I have told him maybe. So please go through these generations. You can generate unlimited as many times you want, and if you're happy with that. Text extender is something you provide it with a particular amount of text and it is either going to generate a long format or a short format of it. So it is basically text expander. So it is a tool. That means the best way to become a good blogger is to write and publish content every day. This is one of the tips. Let me see what happens if I use long and then generate. As you can see, it is going to tell you how much credit it is going to say. The best way to become a good blogger is to write articles and content every day. Have you considered blogging? So it has added have you considered blogging, and if I use short, let me see what it gives me. Anyhow, this is a single sentence, so there is no way it can make it shorter. So please use the tool. You have nothing to lose. You have the 100 free credits for 3 days, and even after that also it is going to provide you 10 credit every day as of today, and this is what is you're going to get. So you can play around with it, try your niche. As I've already told you, depending upon what niche you are selecting, you may get a better result than what I'm getting for this particular keyword. If I've missed anything, then kindly comment below and rectify me and teach me also. This create FAQ is something which I am very excited about. So if I give him a question, it is going to generate certain amount of questions for me. You can use these questions as your subheadings and put them on your blog. I will request the developers to put this in the blog editor only. So as you can see, you can just click the question over here and then expand it. So just select the question and then generate intro. Once it generates the intro, if you want to add more, you can write add more, write more. According to blog expert blogger, it depends. Okay, it has generated somewhat good result. Okay, if it ends in between, so you can always write generate more, and it is going to take it from there. So this is good. What I will request the developers is that kindly add this create FAQ inside the block editor only, so in that way I do not have to just shift between the tools. This is the block inside. This is equivalent to your synopsis. So just put whatever text you have, put the entire text over here and then generate. It is going to generate a summary out of it. So these are the things which you are going to get. The research is good. I am happy with the research. FAQ is something which I am excited. I'm happy with it. Headlines is also good. They generate good headlines. If you want, you can buy, as you can see over here, free. It's completely free of charge, so please try it and see. You have the Pro and Enterprise edition, and as I've already told you, they are now running a lifetime deal. That also you can check out if you are happy with this. So more or less, sometimes it generates great content, sometimes it does not, but every time its research and its FAQ are great. So these are the things which I'm happy with it. Also, you can see the search volume, which is also a very plus point. So the keyword which you are targeting, you can see that whether that is good or not. So if you have any suggestion, if you want to teach me how to use this properly, you can comment below. And if you have liked it, then kindly hit the like button and subscribe. And I will, since it is free to try, I will recommend you that kindly do it. The user interface is something which I am worried about for a 14-inch laptop which I am using. Whether it's only me or someone else, that I don't know. So if you're also facing the same problem, then kindly mention it below. Let me try one more time and generate an intro. The last time I checked with some other niche, it was generating quality content. Right now I don't know why. Maybe this particular topic is not suitable. Anyhow, this is LongShot. Its coming features, this fact check is something which is very good if they can actually generate it. And they have their Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn profile, so you can go and check. You can also chat with them over here if you have any problem.